Many people complain every day. I'm busy. I don't have time. I'm always tired. But the truth is simple. You don't lack time. You lack direction. Everyone has 24 hours. What separates successful people from struggling people is how they use those hours. Know where your time is going. You can't manage what you don't measure. Most people wake up, pick their phone, and before they know it, the day is gone. Managing time wisely starts with awareness. Write down how you spend your day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. That you'll be shocked how much time disappears into phone scrolling, unplanned chatting, random breaks. Once you see it, change becomes easy. Managing time wisely begins with understanding how time is currently spent. Many people feel busy every day, yet at the end of the week, they struggle to point out meaningful progress. This happens because time is often used unconsciously. A daily time audit helps bring awareness and control back into how each hour is spent. Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing our time wisely feels more challenging than ever. But what if I told you there are some simple, day-to-day tips that can totally change your relationship with time? That's right. Today, we're talking about how to manage your time wisely. And trust me, these aren't complicated strategies. These are real, actionable tips you can start using today. Using the Eisenhower matrix to manage time wisely. One of the most powerful tools for managing time wisely is the Eisenhower matrix. This method helps separate what truly matters from what only feels urgent. Many people stay busy all day but still fail to achieve meaningful goals because they focus on urgency rather than importance. The Eisenhower matrix divides tasks into 4 categories. The first category includes tasks that are both urgent and important. These require immediate attention, such as deadlines, emergencies, or critical responsibilities. These tasks should be done first. The second category contains tasks that are important but not urgent. These include long-term goals, learning, planning, health, and personal growth. This category is the key to success, yet it is often ignored because these tasks do not demand immediate action. Scheduling time for these tasks prevents future crises. The third category includes urgent but not important tasks. These often involve interruptions, unnecessary meetings, or tasks that can be delegated. While they feel pressing, they do not contribute much value. Learning to delegate or limit time spent here frees up hours for important work. The fourth category includes tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are distractions such as excessive social media, mindless entertainment, and unnecessary activities. Reducing or eliminating these tasks creates more space for meaningful work. Using the Eisenhower matrix daily helps prioritize correctly. It teaches discipline, reduces overwhelm, and ensures time is spent on what truly matters rather than what simply demands attention. Designing my ideal time-blocked week. Time blocking is a practical and effective strategy for managing time wisely. Instead of working randomly throughout the day, time blocking assigns specific tasks to specific hours. This reduces decision fatigue and improves focus. In a time-blocked week, each day is divided into blocks of time dedicated to a single purpose. For example, mornings may be reserved for deep work such as writing, studying, or creative tasks. Afternoons may be used for meetings, communication, or lighter work. Evenings can be blocked for rest, family, or personal growth. The key to successful time blocking is protecting these blocks. Notifications are turned off, distractions are minimized, and multitasking is avoided. When a block ends, the task stops, preventing overwork and exhaustion. Over time, time blocking creates rhythm and balance. Productivity increases, stress decreases, and personal life improves. By planning the week in advance, each day feels purposeful instead of chaotic. Setting smart goals to boost time management. Effective time management is impossible without clear goals. Smart goals provide structure and direction, ensuring time is spent wisely rather than wasted. Smart goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to be productive," a smart goal states, "I will complete 3 video scripts within 7 days." Each goal is broken into smaller tasks and assigned deadlines. This prevents procrastination and makes progress visible. Tasks are then scheduled into daily routines, ensuring consistent action. Tracking progress helps identify what works and what needs adjustment. When goals are clear and measurable, motivation increases because results can be seen. Using SMART goals transforms time management from guesswork into a clear system. It aligns daily actions with long-term success and reduces wasted effort. Plan your day before the day plans you. A day without a plan will control you. Before you sleep, decide what you'll do tomorrow, what matters most, what can wait. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a clear one. When the day has direction, stress reduces automatically. Do one thing at a time. Multitasking feels productive, but it's not. When you split your attention, quality drops, time is wasted. Energy drains. One thing. Finish it. Then move to the next. That's how calm productivity works. Reflecting on my time management and future strategy. Reflection is a powerful tool for growth. By reviewing how time has been used in the past, better decisions can be made for the future. Looking back reveals habits that support productivity and those that hinder it. Procrastination, distractions, and poor planning are identified honestly. Solutions such as planning ahead, setting limits, and using reminders are introduced. Future strategies focus on consistency rather than perfection. Small improvements made daily lead to lasting change. Time management becomes a skill that evolves with experience. By reflecting regularly, time is no longer controlled by circumstances. Instead, it becomes a tool used intentionally to build a successful and balanced life. Accept that not everything is important. Your time is limited, so everything cannot enter. Some activities help your life grow. Some only keep you busy. Ask yourself this simple question. If I keep doing this for 1 year, will my life improve? If the answer is no, reduce it. This is not wickedness. This is wisdom. Plan tomorrow before you sleep today. A planned day is a peaceful day. Before you sleep, write down the 3 most important things for tomorrow. Not 10. Not 20. Just 3. Give each task its own time. Not mixed tasks. When it is time to work, work. When it is time to rest, rest. When it is time to be on your phone, be on it consciously. Mixing everything together is why days feel long but empty. 5. Learn to say not now. Many people lose time because they can't say no. You don't have to respond immediately. You don't have to attend everything. You don't have to please everyone. Saying not now protects your future. Review your week. Once a week, ask, what worked? What wasted my time? What will I change next week? This small habit can change your entire life. Tip number 1. The power of the to-do list. It might sound basic, but a well-constructed to-do list is your secret weapon. Don't just list tasks, though. Try to break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Example, organize office becomes clear desk, sort files, label boxes. Host, and here's the kicker, prioritize. Use a simple A, B, C system. A for urgent and important, B for important but not urgent, and C for things you'd like to do if time permits. Embrace the Pomodoro technique. This one is a game changer for focus. The Pomodoro technique involves working in focused 25-minute intervals, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Visual, someone deeply focused on a task, then stretching or getting a drink during a break. And scheduling your breaks ensures you actually take them, preventing that feeling of constant work. Treat your breaks like important appointments. Learn to say no. This is a tough one for many of us, but essential for time management. Whether it's to extra commitments that stretch you too thin, or even to distractions that pull you away from your priorities. Protecting your time means protecting your ability to achieve your goals. Saying no to one thing often means saying yes to something more important. Review and reflect. At the end of each day or week, take a few minutes to review how you spent your time. What worked well? What didn't? Where did you get sidetracked? So there you have it, 5 simple, day-to-day tips to help you manage your time wisely. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making small, consistent changes that lead to big results. You'll feel less stressed, more productive, and ultimately, have more time for the things that truly matter to you. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs a time management boost, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. See you next time.